In today's video, I'll show you how to copy images directly from Google to Canva, quickly and efficiently. This trick is perfect if you want to enhance your designs with visuals from the web without wasting time downloading files. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for the image you want on Google. It can be anything, a concept, a background, or an object for your design. Once the search results appear, select the Images tab right below the search bar. Now, browse through the results and pick the image that best fits your design. Click on it to open the larger preview. This gives you a better look at the quality and details. Next, right-click on the image and select Copy Image. This stores it temporarily on your clipboard, ready to be pasted. Then head over to Canva. Open your existing design or create a new one. Once your Canva workspace is open, right-click anywhere on the blank design area and choose Paste. Just like that, your image appears instantly inside Canva. No downloads, no uploads. You can now resize, move, or edit it to fit your layout perfectly. And that's it. You've just learned the easiest way to copy images from Google straight into Canva. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments what design tips you'd like next.